on the box break of the Masterpiece 3 boxes. Okay. Reggie Bush, red border. It looks like it's got a piece of the number or something because there's part of the stitching. And this is not numbered, but it's thick enough. Look how thick that thing is. And we got Malcolm Kelly black border. Scott Norwood black border. Joe Montana red border. And that one is numbered 18 of 199. Too bad it wasn't 16 of 199, but hey. Oh wow, that's not black border, that's brown border on the Malcolm Kelly. Okay, here's a black border, LaDainian Tomlinson. This is a brown border of Donnie Avery. Sammy Baugh, black border. Wes Welker, black border. And here's a green border, Jamal Charles from the Kansas City Chiefs. And that is not numbered. Okay, this from box 2. Black border, Jordy Nelson. Black border, Vince Lombardi. Here's a green border of Glenn Dorsey. Here's this black border, Strokes of Genius, Tom Rathman. Not numbered. Mario Manningham black border. Here's a blue border of Vince Young of the Titans, and that is numbered 44/50. Ray Rice black border. Tom Brady red border, number 129 of 199. Here's an Eric Ainge black border one here, autograph. Not numbered. Here's this green border captured on canvas, Dustin Keller from the Jets. Not numbered. Green border, Reggie Bush, captured on canvas. Not numbered. And here's box 3. Calais Campbell of the Cardinals, Stroke of Genius black border. Not numbered. Captured on canvas, game used of Jamal Charles. Not numbered. Green Brett Favre border. Oops, that's green, not brown. For those. We have a brown Brett Favre bordered. Pretty cool picture of him there. And we have a black border Kevin Dyson. Black border Tom Brady. Sorry about that. Brown border Eli Manning. Green border game used of Jonathan Stewart. And that's not numbered. A Howard Cosell black border, which will go up on random. And a Jim Thorpe black border, which will go up on random. And so will any other one that does not have a team to it. like the other Howard Cosell and all them like that. Okay, thank you.